Hello everyone, welcome. So need to renew your work permit in Canada to keep working legally. It's a straightforward process if you're still waiting for your claim decision, and I'll guide you to extend your open work permits. So as a refugee claimant with no final decision on your claim, you can renew your open work permit for free. You'll need your refugee protection claimant document and a proof of financial need, like social assistance letter. Apply 2 or 3 months before your permit expires to avoid gaps. Don't wait for too long. After that, log into your IRCC secure accounts at canada.ca. Go to apply to come to Canada, work, extend my work permit. Select refugee claimants when prompted and answer questions about your status. Upload your refugee protection claimant documents, proof of financial need, and medical exam confirmation. Submit without fees unless you've received a negative claim decision. After that, you can track and work while waiting. Check your application status in the IRCC portal or call their number. If your permit expires before the new one arrives, you can keep working if you applied on time. Show your employer your application receipts. So processing takes 1 to 3 months. So, guys, that's pretty much it. Update your address online to avoid missing your permit. Questions, share below, like and subscribe, my friends, and see you next time.